Hello everyone, this is Swati. Welcome to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 Razorpay payment automations. We all know that Razorpay is one of the most renowned payment gateways where you can process online and offline business payments both. And here I'm going to talk about few integrations where with the help of Pabbly Connect software, you can integrate Razorpay with other applications and make your life a lot easier than it already is. So now, here I'm going to talk about integration between Razorpay and WhatsApp, then Razorpay and Webinar Kit, then we have Razorpay and Slack, Razorpay Twilio, and last is Razorpay and Microsoft Excel. These applications are well renowned, they are very easy and they are very useful. So now let's start. So if you have to send WhatsApp messages for Razorpay payments, and let's say that every time there is a new payment, so new order received as me, what does that mean? That a new payment has been captured. So every time a new payment is captured on Razorpay, so what happens that I want to send my client a message that your payment has been processed and you will reach this particular product in these many days. You get these messages, right? So this can be done. Here, these two applications will be integrated with the help of Pabbly Connect software. Trigger application would be Razorpay and action application would be WhatsApp. Now, the next one is Razorpay and Webinar Kit. So, we know that Webinar Kit is an auto webinar solution platform where again here that I want every time my client who wants to attend my webinar, the payment is made. So every time he makes the payment, then automatically this particular client should be added as a registrant on Webinar Kit. Now the same can be done. Again, we'll have to integrate these two applications. Here again, trigger application would be Razorpay and your action application would be Webinar Kit. Easy. Now I'm going to talk about the third one, which is Razorpay and Slack. So let's say sometimes it happens that the client who is about to make the payment, for some or the other reasons, they think of not doing so, right? So the payment is either cancelled or the payment is there's a refund or the payment is declined for some or the other reasons. So I want to make sure that if this happens, my team should be notified about it and they can take it further, they can pitch the client and they can make sure that the person makes the payment. How can that be done? Again here, every time the payment is cancelled or declined for some reason, so my team who is sitting on Slack should be informed about this. So every time a payment is cancelled, a message is sent to my team on Slack. Integration is done through Pabbly Connect software. Trigger application is Razorpay and action application is Slack. Easy? Next we have Razorpay and Microsoft Excel. Very important, very easy. We all have to make sure that the information that we have received is organized in a way so that we can further nurture it and take care of it in the future. So again here, let's say that every time a payment is captured through Razorpay, so the client information, the product they have bought, the amount, all this information I want to be saved in my Excel spreadsheet. Now the same can be done by integrating these two. Here trigger application would be Razorpay and action application would be Excel. So in a way what will happen that I will have all my data organized in one spreadsheet and I would be able to nurture it forward. And the last one that we have is Razorpay and Twilio. So I want that every time there is a payment or a refund created or a payment is cancelled, instead of sending a WhatsApp message, I also wish to send an SMS. Now this can be done through Twilio or MSG91 or any other platform. So here again I'll have to integrate Razorpay with the other application with the help of Pabbly Connect software. Trigger application would be Razorpay and action application would be, in this case, Twilio. And that is it. Once this entire process is set up, you do not have to do it again and again. This is going to save a lot of time, and time means money. Time means more business opportunities. So I hope that you are through with this. You understand the importance of integration and automation. So just like Razorpay, we have so many other payment gateways like InstaMojo, Stripe, etc. You can integrate all these applications with those applications as well. So the automations, the workflows for all these automations are given in the description box, and similarly To understand more about integration, you can refer to our website, you can visit our YouTube channel, and if in case you have any doubt or you have any suggestion or advice for us, you can always write to us.